Hi, this is just a really short video. I'm popping these valve covers off, and most of the bolts are pretty easy to get to, but this last bolt way under here, surrounded by those AC lines, is so difficult to get to. And I wanted to show you just a quick tip, and also just a lesson on what having the right tools can mean for getting the job done very easily. So first, to get to that, it's a 10mm bolt that's holding the valve cover on there. And you can see if I put this little 1/4-inch socket, shallow Craftsman on here, I don't have any room to move that without hitting the valve cover on one side or hitting the oil dipstick tube on the other side. There's just no room at all. Maybe you get one click before you have to go right back. Well, enter the GearWrench Flex 1/4-inch, and I also have a magnetic bit on there. And watch this. Let me zoom out here. Look at that. If it focuses, look at that. You get all of this. Let's get you to focus. There we go. You get all of that awesome movement right there. 84 teeth to really get positive contact on there, and look what you can do in this tight spot with that. So anyways, just a really quick video showing what the right tools can do for the job.